channel Statistics with Geetha. Today we are going to see the topic average, that is part 9, problems with solutions. Example 1, exercise number 1, the average age of a husband and his wife was 23 years at the time of their marriage. After 5 years, they have a 1-year-old child. Find the average age of the family. Solution, sum of the present age of the family. So, 3 பேரையும் சேர்த்தி அப்போ 23 into 2 plus 5 into 2 plus 1-year-old child plus 1, that is 57 years. Therefore, present average age of the family equal to 57 divided by 3, that is 19 years. At the second exercise, 3 years ago, the average age of A and B was 18 years. With C joining them, the average age becomes 22 years. How old is C now? Solution, present age of A and B வந்து 18 into 2 plus 3 into 2, ஏன்னா 3 years agoங்கிறதுனால equal to 42 years. Present age of A, B and C வந்து என்னன்னா average age 22 years, ஆனால் 22 into 3, that is 66 years. The difference தான் வந்து present age of C. Therefore, present age of C equal to 66 minus 42, that is 24 years. அடுத்தது exercise number 3, the average age of husband, wife and their child 3 years ago was 27 years and that of wife and child 5 years ago was 20 years. What is the present age of the husband? Solution, present age of 3 people. முதல்ல 3 பேருடையது 27 into 3 plus 3 into 3. ஏன்னா average age வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து எவ்வளோ வந்திருக்கு 27 years. அதனால 27 into 3 plus 3 years agoங்கிறதுனால 3 into 3, that is 90 years. Present age of wife and child என்னன்னா average age வந்து 20 years 5 years ago. அப்போ 20 into 2 plus 5 into 2, that is 50 years. And the present age of the husband, the difference between two. So 90 minus 50, that is 40 years. See exercise number 4. 3 years ago, the average age of a family of 5 members was 17 years. A baby having been born, the average age of the family is the same today. Find the present age of the baby. Solution, present age of the family with 5 members. When they now 17, average age with 17 years into 5 plus 3 years ago 3 into 5, that is 100 years. Present age of 6 members. ஏன்னா 2 குழந்தைங்க பிறந்துட்டாங்க. After a baby has born, அப்போ வந்து 6 members ஆயிடுவாங்க. So present age அதே தான் average age ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. அதனால 17 into 6, that is 102 years. Therefore, present age of the baby equal to the difference, that is 102 minus 100, that is 2 years. அடுத்தது exercise number 5. 10 years ago, the average age of the family of 4 members was 24 years. 2 children having been born with age difference of 2 years, the present average age of the family is the same. What is the present age of the youngest child? So, இப்போ வந்து solution பாருங்க, total age of 4 members 10 years ago. About 24 into 4, that is 96 years. Total age of 4 members at present. About 96 plus 10 years into 4, that is 136 years. Total age of 6 members at present. அது வந்து average age வந்து 24 ஏதா same averageங்கிறாங்க. 24 into அந்த members மட்டும் 6. So 144 years. Total age of 2 children. அப்போ 144 minus 136, that is 8 years. அப்போ age of the elder child எப்படி இருக்குன்னா younger child விட 2 வருஷம் பெரியவன். அப்போ x plus 2. younger child வந்து x இருக்கும். அப்போ x plus 2 years. That implies x plus 2 years equal to total age வந்து 8. அப்போ 2x equal to 8 minus 2, that is 6. Therefore, x equal to 6 by 2, which is 3 years. That implies age of the youngest child is 3 years. See exercise number 6. After replacing an old by a new member, it was found that the average age of 5 members of a club is the same as it was 3 years ago. What is the difference between the ages of the replaced and the new member? Solution பாருங்க, age decreased எவ்வளவு ஆயிருக்கு? இப்போ 5 into 3, after 3 years 5 members of a club. அப்போ 5 into 3, 15 years வந்து decrease ஆயிருக்கு. Therefore, required difference equal to 3 years. அடுத்தது exercise number 7. The average age of a group of persons going for picnic is 16 years. 20 new persons with an average age of 15 years join the group on the spot, due to which their average age becomes 15.5 years. Find the number of persons initially going for picnic. So, முதல்ல எவ்வளோ பேர் போனாங்க அப்படிங்கிறது. Solution வந்து let the initial number of persons be x. நமக்கு தெரியாத xன்னு வச்சுக்கிறோம். அப்போ 16x. ஏன்னாக்கா 16 years அவங்களுடைய average age. அப்போ 16x plus 20 into 15. அப்போ 20 பேர் வர்றாங்க. 15 with the average age 15 years. அதனால 20 into 15, which is equal to இப்போ என்ன ஆயிருது, அதனால் ஏற்பட்ட சேஞ்ச் வந்து 15.5 அந்த ஆவரேஜ் ஏஜ். அப்போ 15.5 இன்டூ எத்தனை நம்பர்ஸ் எக்ஸ் பிளஸ் 20, 20 பேர் கூட வரதுனால ஈக்குவல் டு எக்ஸ் இன்டூ எக்ஸ் பிளஸ் 20. That implies 16x plus 300, இதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண 300 equal to 15.5x plus 310. That is 16x minus 15.5x equal to 310 minus 300, that is 10. So 0.5x equal to 10, that implies x equal to 10 by 0.5. So இந்த decimal எடுக்கிறதுக்காக நம்ம multiply divided by 10 பண்ணும்போது 100 divided by 5 ஆகும், which is equal to 20. Therefore initial number of persons in the picnic வந்து 20. Exercise number 8. A certain factory employed 600 men and 400 women, and the average wage was rupees 25.50 per day. If a woman got rupees 5 less than a man, then what are their daily wages? So solution பாருங்க, let the man's daily wage வந்து நம்ம x ன்னு வெச்சுக்கலாம். அப்ப daily wage of women எவ்வளவு, rupees 5 less than men. அப்ப x minus 5 இருக்கும். அப்போ 600x, ஏன்னா 600 men into x plus 400 into x minus 5 equal to அவங்களோட average wage எவ்வளவு 25.50 into இந்த 600 plus 400 total average. அப்போ implies 600x plus 400x minus இந்த 400 into 5 வந்து 2000 equal to 25,500. இதை மல்டிப்ளை, இது 1000 ஆயிரும், into 25.50 பண்ணா 25,500. That implies 1000x equal to 25,500 plus இந்த minus 2000 அங்க போனா plus 2000 ஆயிடும். That is 27,500. Therefore x equal to 27,500 divided by 1000, that is 27.50. That implies man's daily wage is rupees 27.50 and women's daily wage equal to, அதை விட 5 கழிக்கணும், 27.50 இருந்து minus 5 பண்ணா rupees 22.50. Exercise number 10. The arithmetic mean of the scores of a group of students in a test was 52. The brightest 20% of them secured a mean score of 80 and the dullest 25% a mean score of 31. Find the mean score of the remaining 55%. Solution பாருங்க, let the required mean score be x. Then 20 into 80 plus 25 into 31 plus 55 into x equal to, average வந்து நமக்கு முதலே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க total of the classக்கு 52. So 52 into 100, that is 1600 plus 775 plus 55x equal to 5200. Therefore x equal to 5200 minus 1600 minus 775 divided by 55 whole divided by, that is 2825 by 55, that is 51.36. This is approximately equal to 51.4 எழுதலாம். Therefore the mean score of the remaining 55% is 51.4. This is actually exercise number 9. So the mean score of the remaining 55% students வந்து எத்தனை மார்க், 51.4. That is the mark scored by the mean score. So இது மாதிரி நம்ம ஆவரேஜ் வந்து கொடுத்துருந்தா என்ன கொடுத்துருக்குன்னு பார்த்து அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி நம்ம ஆல்டர்னேட்டிவாக பண்ணலாம். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்து அப்படின்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.